Hey class, today we're gonna learn some more math.
More like we are learning dog shit. And there's too much fucking girls in this classroom. Like, won't you ever learn?
For
Boy,
real.
shut the fuck up before I send you to the principal's office.
Okay, Mrs. Pissa Girl.
Okay, anyways, what's convert
Your
0.2?
balls.
Okay, let's do your hair.
Bro,
Let's go.
WF is this damn class.
Ah.
Damn, this sounds like shit. Alright, bro. If you won't turn off that shit in like 5 seconds, I will go on exchange mode. 1, 2, 3. That shit smells like your father breathing machine.
Okay, so what we're not going to do is talk about the machine.
Get out of my face. Get out
Sit down.
of my face.
The fuck? Hell no.
Bitch ass hoe, just get out of my face. Bitch ass hoe, just get out of my face.
You are built like an Eiffel Tower.
Who are you talking to?
Wow, you're slow.
Why you dumb as hell?
I swear your dumbass don't know your facts, so you shouldn't been talking. Now the whole teacher made you look like some midgets.
Get your ass up.
Jay, go.